this time we will do again a mango float, but then we will just use a crushed grahams kasi ang paglagyan natin is just a small bowl or small cup. Kung gusto nyo, small cup kung meron kayo. Ang sa akin, small bowl. Okay? Small bowl or bowl. Ano ba? Okay. Basta ganun. Okay? And then, basic ingredients. We have here, of course, the mango. Chopped mango. And then, I have here all-purpose cream. So, I tried this one. Kasi, para maiba. Kasi meron akong ginagamit, usual. Ayun siya, tested and proven, talagang masarap. At saka maganda yung kulay. Okay? Maganda yung kulay, maganda rin yung quality. This time, eto, medyo mura. Mas mura siya, at saka mas marami. So, tingnan natin yung mukha nito or yung kulay niya or pagtapos po ng gawa natin na mango float. And then, here we have a condensada. Okay. So, let's start now. Okay, so without further ado, let's do the making of mango float. Okay, first, ito po yung all-purpose cream. All-purpose cream. Yes. Yummy. And then, so, I use 2 cans of all-purpose cream. And then, cowbell or any condensada you like. Marami pong brand. Okay? I used to buy this one kasi mura. I think this is the most cheap. Okay, the most cheapest. Most na cheapest pa, okay? It's only 28 or 27. So, murang-mura siya. So, if you want to make a mango float for commercial, pwede po. At the same time, yung all-purpose cream na ginamit natin, ito na po yung pinakamura din. One of pinakamura. Okay? And then, just mix it. Mukhang maganda din siya. Ganda yung texture. Okay? Try natin. And then, we have the mango. So, I chopped the mango. Okay. Wow. Sarap nito. Okay. Chop natin yung mango. Chop. And then mix. So, we have the mixture of all-purpose cream, condensada, and the mango. So, now, okay, gawin natin. So, this is the very important ingredient then. It's the graham. Instead of cracker, we will use the crushed graham. Okay? Depende po sa presentation. So, we have different po yung presentation natin ngayon. We'll put it here. Okay? So, okay guys. So, this one, yung filling po for the mango float, overnight po siya chilled in a refrigerator para tumigas. Okay? So, this is ready for making a mango float. Okay? So, let's do it. So, kasi pag hindi po siya na-chilled, mahirap po siya gawin. Since, gagamitin natin is ganito. It's the crushed, okay? Crushed grahams, okay? So, kailangan, medyo solidify po, okay? Yan. Ayan po, maganda na po yung texture niya. So, it is overnight actually, para tumigas. So, let's do. So, kung gusto nyo, you can put it in a cup. Sa akin, ito yung isang maliit na bowl, okay? For nice presentation, okay? So, dito ko po ilalagay. So, gawin natin ilang layers. Try natin. So, first, unahin yung this one. The grahams, crushed grahams. So, at least 1 tablespoon. Gawin natin at the bottom. At the bottom. Okay? So, isa-isahin natin. Okay. maganda po yung texture ng Angel's cream. Okay, this is the Angel's all-purpose cream. Maganda po siya. Tingnan natin. Ayan guys, oh, ang ganda. Diba? Wow, ang bango. Bango ng mango. Okay, so this is it. So, ang ganda talaga. So, I like it. Mas makatipid ka. Pag gusto mo commercialize, so you can use this kind of all-purpose cream. So, now, we'll do the filling. Okay, so then ang ganito. So, matigas na. Okay. So, guys. Then, after this one, you have to chill again. Okay, chill natin. Ayan. So, guys, pasensya na kasi medyo mainit po yung palibot. So, anyway. So, let's do sarap, guys. Dapat meron technique para maganda yung pag-spread mo. Kita nyo? Ayan. Big natin ito isa. Okay? Gawin natin 2 tablespoons. And then, last topping natin yung cream, all-purpose cream with mango with condensed. Yan. Sarap nito, guys. Lalo na pag i-chill. Okay? Before consuming, lagay muna natin sa ref. Okay? So, let's do the last filling. Okay. Sarap nito, guys. Okay, see that one? Sarap, yummy.